Hui! Aloha kahako. This is Kainoa Kena Aina with Olelo Hawaii Maloa. Puana means pronunciation. It's important to build a strong foundation on proper pronunciation, so your listener is not confused about what you are trying to say. There are details in pronunciation for a word. If not said correctly, it will change it to a completely different word. Waiau is a place name on the island of Oahu. It could possibly mean periodic water, aerial water, or current of water. Although people commonly read Waiau and pronounce it as Waiau, an incorrect way of saying it. Waiau means cloud water, or water of the cloud. We can see that pronunciation will change the word or name. Another great example, eha means the number 4. If not said correctly and pronounced as eha, eha means pain, painful, or injury. So you can imagine when it comes to prayer and you're trying to say the 4 corners, which is eha, but you end up saying eha, you're gonna be praying for pain instead. So like when you're praying and you're asking to remove the eha, to remove the pain, but you say eha instead, you're asking to remove the number 4. And this is why it's important to have a great foundation in pronunciation. Number 4 versus pain or injury are 2 very different things. This is why knowing proper puana is necessary for Olelo Hawaii. In this section of the course, we're going to break down those specific details so that we won't say words incorrectly like ukulele or Hawaii. Instead, we will say them correctly like ukulele or Hawaii or Hawaii. After this section, you'll know how to pronounce and enunciate words beautifully in Olelo Hawaii. E ola mau ka Olelo Hawaii.